Assalamu alaikum students, 10th class. I am Awais Ahmed Shakir from Maryland High School. Students, in the previous lecture we discussed about the internal and external commands of DOS. DOS is a disk operating system and operate with the help of different commands. Today we discuss about the types of command. Types of command. Command is a shortcut way to convey the message to the computer. The operator will use the different command in the different programs, but in DOS is used in the internal and external command. Today we discuss about the types of command in which the internal command first exist command, second is time command, third is copy command, and fourth is del command. We discuss about the four types of command. First is exist command. Exist command is used in the computer for to exist the program. It means if we wind up any program, then we use the command exist command. The exist button is attached on the keyboard at the top of the corner. We press the exist, then program will be cancelled and finish at the desktop. It means exist command is used for the finish the program. And second time command. Sometime we write the program but the time is not show on the desktop. For the showing the time, we use the time command. We use the time command. It means time command is showing the correct time in the program. We use the time command. And other types of command is copy command. It is the very necessary and very important command in the computer system. It is used for the text for the copy, images copy, and any video, audio. We use the copy command. We use control plus C. This command is used when we press control plus C. This will be the command is used for the copy command. Copy command is used for and save to another program. Del command is very dangerous command in the program. Exist command is used for the finish the program. But if we write the any program on the computer screen, for example, this is the desktop screen of the desktop. This is the screen of the desktop, and at the top of at the corner the sign is showing by the cross. When we press the exist button, then this desktop screen is removing any program. And the del command is used, write the program start. Second, it means write the sum and product. Third line, ons of the program. If we press the del command, then these all texts are removed, but program is cannot finished. We can del the program. We can, with the help of del command, we del all program. It means when we press del, then the written text is removed on the program screen. And cannot finish the program at the top of the cross with the help of the cross button. It means we can say that the exist command is used for the cancelling the program, and time command is used for to check the correct time in the during the program, and copy command is used for any text, image and any audio video for the copy used to the copy command, and del command is used for the deleting the text on the computer screen in the program. Thanks. Students, learn the 4 commands of exist command, time command, copy command and del with the help of syntax. Students, learn the definition of the command and write the syntax of this program. Thanks.